Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this video you will see a very important app, that is Spark Post. By using this app you can create or design your social media post, your banners, your YouTube thumbnails, Instagram post, Facebook banners and many more. You can download this app from Play Store. So now let's get started how to use this app. So select this app, Adobe Spark Post, and from here you can see different kinds of categories or templates are already available with this app. So you can select any template or add it, or you can create your new post. So for this, click on this plus icon, and from here you can see different images are available. So you can choose any one and set as a background image if you want. You can select from your gallery, you can select from your libraries. So these are the images available in libraries. You can choose backgrounds if you want. Let's start with some solid color, and from here select the background color which you want to apply on your post. So select this one and click on next, and from here you can select social post for Instagram story, Instagram landscape, Facebook, Pinterest, YouTube thumbnail and many more. So these are the different layouts. So if you want to create your YouTube thumbnail, so select this one, click on done. To remove this watermark SP, that is Adobe Spark Post, select this one and remove logo on this project. So it will remove your watermark from your thumbnail, and from here you can add text, images, different kinds of icons, some backgrounds and different kinds of logos. So let's start to design a thumbnail. For example, let's add some text, that is Code with Ashish. That's my text. You can drag these text anywhere you want, and from here you can set the font style. So these are the different categories of fonts. So from here you can choose anyone, like this one. So any kind of font category you can choose. You can set its color. So these are the different colors options are available with this app. So I want blue color, click on done. Opacity, so you can see the opacity. Effects, so these are some effects which you can apply on your text, and from here you can set the different shapes effects on your text if you want. Like this you can set effects, or again you can click on this effect if you want to remove this effect. So click on this one and apply. So select this one. For adjustment, the text, that is nudge, so you can set by using these drop down arrows or left or right arrows. You can rotate the text. So these are the different features available with this app. You can change its size, you can change its alignment, You can change the letter spacing and shape spacing. Once you try, you will definitely find that this app is really amazing. Now let's add some special icon. For example, I want to insert an icon that is computer. So you can type any word here and select the different kinds of icons related to computer. So select this one, click on add, just resize it, or you can set anywhere. Again, you can change its color. You can add some images. For example, let's select one image that is okay. Click on add. Now from here, click on move freely. If you choose pin to background, so this image will be set as your background image. So select move freely. If you want to remove the background of this image, so select this third option, remove background. You can crop from second one, so you can crop like this in different kinds of shape. You can crop the image, and if you want to remove the background of the image, so select remove background. So it will remove the background of the image. Now you can resize the image like this. Click on done. You can add some text. Again, it is my name. Now let's apply some effects. So click on edit. If you want to change some text from here, so you can select edit, and from effects you can remove the background effects. So these are some text effects, so you can try. This app is really amazing. So you can see the different kinds of features and options are available with this app for your social media post. So try this one, and once you finish your design layout, so click on share, and from here you can choose image. So you can share this image with your Facebook, with your Instagram, with your WhatsApp, and for your email. So anywhere you can share this image. So that's it. Thank you.